Marketing Cloud lets you inspire meaningful moments with relevant and empathetic digital marketing from anywhere. You can start with your marketing data, integrating and viewing it all in one place, so you see everything happening with your marketing and advertising campaigns. Getting alerts on important AI insights, like real-time opportunities for growth. From there, you can take action using AI to find new target audiences, reaching them with the right message, in the right tone, at the perfect time and place. When they land on your site, it's personalized based on who they are and where they've been. And with the power of Customer 360, no matter what channel, device, or department they engage with, you always know that it's the same person. So when your sales reps connect to a prospect, they have everything they need to tailor the conversation. Your marketing team can then continue the relationship by creating seamless, AI-powered experiences at each stage of the customer lifecycle, across channels and business units. As your customers engage with your brand, the content they see is intelligently selected based on their behaviors and attributes. Even if a customer has a concern along their journey and needs to contact support, your service reps know exactly who they are and can help them immediately. Delighting your customer and creating meaningful moments everyone can celebrate. Engage customers with relevant, empathetic digital marketing while working from anywhere with Marketing Cloud.